Hello everyone, welcome to FPL Group. Here are the top 3 captain picks for this game week 3. The first on the list is of course Antonio, who is in the top form as of now with an XG of 2.76 and an XA of 0.91. West Ham team itself are on another level with the highest XG of 5.3. So they have scored 8 goals so far in 2 game weeks and they are up against Crystal Palace in a home fixture. So all these things make Antonio a standout captain for this game week. Only turn-off for me is the Crystal Palace has conceded only 3 goals, which is against Chelsea in the first game week, but in second game against Brentford they haven't conceded anything. So that's why their XGA is at 1.63. So I don't think that is a too bad thing to avoid Antonio to give an armband. So it's a worth consideration for this armband for this game week. Another option is Bruno, of course, who has an XG of 0.88 and an XA of 0.71. Manchester United are again Wolves, so there is a good chance they will score a goal from open play because Wolves doesn't sit back and they will also try to keep possessions. So as United has an XG of 2.02 from the open play, so that's a turn on for me and he could score goals, and as you know he's on penalties and you have done what he can do in game week 1, so he's a worth consideration for this game week 2. Only turn off for me it's like he's an away game and Wolves are not the pointing boys here, so they have an XG of 2.39 which is in mid of the table, so that's only turn off for me here. Next option which I want to consider is Son here. So Son is again a very good option to captain this game week. He has an XG of 0.45 and XA of 0.05. So although those numbers are not that great because they have just scored 2 goals so far, and the only good thing which turns on captain Son for this is the Kane is back, and you know the Kane and Son partnership is too good to ignore, and it's a home fixture for them. So and they're up against Watford, who has an XG of 2.92. So all these things which points like Son could be a very good option for this game week. And only turn off for Son is like team XG is 2.79. So as I mentioned, they have just scored 2 goals so far. Although they have played Man City in first game week, so it's not that interesting figure to consider to do not captain Son for this game week. So these are the top 3. There are some other honorable mentions which I want to talk about, which could be differential for you. So let's look at the fixtures, which fixtures we can target for this game week 3. So the first one is of course Man City versus Arsenal is a very good fixture to target, but the only problem is you don't know Pep which player they will play and which one will be benched. So it's very difficult. So I skipping that part as of now. And the next fixture which is attractive here is Leicester versus Norwich. And the other one is Leeds versus Burnley. So Burnley and Norwich are way below in terms of XGA, and they could be pounding boys for this game week. Let's look at the options. The first one is Rafinha, of course, who has an XG of 0.45 and XA of 0.07. As mentioned, is against Burnley, who has an XG of 4.32. Only turn off for Rafinha is that he's playing an away game and Leeds haven't shown their prime form yet. The Leeds team has an XG of 1.53, so that's a concern here. Second option which I want to suggest is Jamie Vardy, who is against Norwich City, and Norwich City are again have a very bad defense which has an XG of 4.23. Vardy has an XG of 0.46 and XA of 0.19. So it's a good differential. If you have him, it's worth consideration for captaincy. Only turns off for Vardy is again like it's an away game and Leicester haven't shown their prime form yet. And the Leicester City have an XG of 1.29 point. The third option is Greenwood. So Greenwood has scored back-to-back goals from 2 game weeks, and he has an XG of 0.25 and XG of 0.39. Another turn on for Greenwood is that he is playing out of position, as sometimes he is played on the top as a striker. As mentioned earlier, Manchester United are playing against Wolves, who will not sit back, and that will again suit him, and he could score a goal or assist here. The only turn off again is like he's playing an away game, and Wolves are not the pounding boys here, so I don't see actually too much of goals here. So that's it from my side. I hope you liked the video. So please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.